we are still here in Milford talking to the lovely, wonderful residents of Milford. How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing all right. I am here with Mackenzie and Brooks. Hey, Brooks.
Hi.
That's good. All right, so we're talking about Miss Dig 811, and I would like to know, do you think that it's a good thing that people were to use Miss Dig 811?
Yes, I do. It keeps you safe.
I think so, too. And what number do you dial to reach Miss Dig 811?
811.
That's absolutely right. Thank you so much, Mackenzie.
Thank you.
You have a good day.
You too.
Thank you for watching Miss Diggs What's the 811. Remember, always be smart, be safe, and call Miss Dig 811 before you dig.